Hi, good morning, children. It's me, Uma. Today, let's move on to our chapter 5, Birds, Part 1. Learning objective. To know about few new words given in this chapter. Before that, let me give introduction. We see birds around us, in the sky, on trees, inside our homes, etc. There are many varieties of birds. Now let's learn new words. First word is beak. The hard, pointed or curved outer part of a bird's mouth is called beak. Here you can see the picture of beak. Second one is feathers. Feathers are very soft and light parts that cover the body of birds. Peck. The meaning of peck is to move the beak forward quickly and hit or bite something. Claw. One of the sharp curved nails on the end of an animal's or a bird's foot. Webbed feet. Fingers or toes connected by a web or a membrane. Best example, feet of duck. Hollow. Hollow means having empty space inside. Weeds. Weeds are unwanted plant with a vigorous growth rate. Children, read all these new words with meanings and also spellings. This will be helpful to you to complete this entire chapter without any struggle. See you in the next video.